Hey guys! So today is a fun Halloween tutorial. We are going to do a glam Snow White and also
a poisoned Snow White.
So I got this idea from Mykie and also Katsketch, I think is her name. I'll link their videos down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm going to put a picture up of the Snow White that I'm going to replicate the makeup of. So her makeup was very basic, which is me, so I'm super pumped about that. This is not an IG makeup look for Snow White, okay? We're keeping it classic. So pale white. So Snow White, Snow White was paler than shit, so I am taking the Covergirl True Matte Blend Foundation in the lightest one I have. It's L10. We're gonna smack this all over our face. So Snow White, she's got some smooth skin, so I think she probably used a pore filler. So I'm using this pore filler. And this is by Cover. Alright, so now I'm just going to squirt this on my hand. And I'm going to use a lot because I'm going to do like my neck and my chest too. Funny story, but not really funny. I literally just filmed this entire part, but I wasn't even filming because my phone wasn't turned on. So if you watched my nun tutorial, the Halloween tutorial, you'll realize that I broke my camera because I scared the living crap out of my son. So I still have to get a new camera lens. I bought one off of Amazon. I'm just gonna blend now. I bought one off of Amazon and it was garbage. It was only $85. I was like, ooh, this is a good deal. And the reviews were good, but it was like a manual lens and it was trash. This is pretty pale, so this is good. And I'm just gonna put it literally everywhere. On my eyelids to prime, just wherever we can. I look like a ghost. I'm gonna use this Wonder Beauty powder and powder my face. And it has a nice little sponge, so I'm just gonna use that. So did you guys grow up watching these Disney movies? My favorite was Cinderella. I would literally come home from school and I remember just sitting in front of our huge boxy television, putting in my VHS tape and watching Cinderella. I would watch it over and over. I thought she was so beautiful. I wanted to look just like her. I still think Cinderella is beautiful, so I should have done a Halloween costume on her, but maybe next year. Snow White has super dark eyebrows, so I'm going to use this really dark color from Covergirl, shade 7319. What the hell? Just looks like that. So in the movie, Snow White has super like high and thin eyebrows. I ain't doing that. Not today. Not tonight. It's actually like 11:30 at night, and I'm not trying to glue my eyebrows. Oh. So this is Snow White. She grew her eyebrows out. Okay, it's fine. Maxi Lash, which is what I used for my eyelashes, my eyelash growth serum. They sent me Maxi Brow, which is supposed to grow your eyebrows, so I'm so excited about that. I literally just started using it. It's only been like 3 days. So I will let you guys know how it goes. I took before and after pictures. I also took a video, so we're just gonna see if it fills in, you know, some of these gaps. I remember over plucking in junior high, you know, back when it was cool to have like a line for an eyebrow, and now it's cool to have like thick eyebrows, and I regret it. I remember I would have like scabs on my eyebrows from plucking so much, and I would try to cover it up with makeup like the next day. Never worked. It always looked disgusting, but I tried. I just don't know why that was a trend. Alright, so we all know Snow White had some rosy ass cheeks. I'm taking this Wonder Beauty blush and just putting it on the apples. She had like a lot of blush, so I'm putting a lot of blush on. So this is a cream blush. I really like this blush. They have several other colors. It's really nice. It's great for just like an everyday blushy flushed look. It's really pretty. So now I'm gonna try to replicate her eyeshadow. It's honestly hard telling. She definitely has a brown in the crease. So I'm gonna take this E.L.F palette and just kind of try to stay as neutral as possible. So I'm gonna take this brown right here So I'm just going to buff this into the crease. I'm just going to dip into this shade and put it all over my lid. Alright, next I'm going to just take some eyeliner and tight line underneath my waterline all the way into the inner part of the eye. Alright, I'm going to have to do that part off camera. Doesn't really look like Snow White has anything on her bottom lashes from what I can tell. So I'm just going to take this like a nude liner again that I used for my eyebrows and just place it in my waterline. Alright, so just going to make us look more like a doll. What's next? Lips. So we got to do the classic Snow White red lips. So I'm going to take this Covergirl lip liner. Alright, before I do that, my lips are kind of crusty, so I'm going to use this exfoliator from Nug Beauty. We're just going to exfoliate real quick. It looks like this. It's super cute. This actually smells like Christmas. Nice and smooth. So now I'm just going to do my lip liner. And I don't know what color this is, but I will link everything in the description box for you guys. And I highly, highly recommend aligning your lips when you are dealing with reds. So next I'm going to take this red lipstick from Pixi. Love their liquid lipsticks. Great formula. And this is in Real Red. Now we're looking like Snow White. So I'm debating if I should put on lashes or not. Nah. So here is the Glam Snow White. I'm going to put on my wig and I will be right back. Alright, so for the fun part. So we're just gonna tease this wig a little bit because, you know, we're poisoned, our hair's messy. So I'm gonna go in with that E.L.F. palette that we used, and I'm gonna start out with this purple shade right here. And I'm just gonna kind of create bruising all around my eyes. So to do the bruising, I'm just gonna tap. So I'm also going to do it around my mouth, just tapping and tapping. And we do kind of want to smear the lipstick too. I'm going to take a makeup remover and just kind of smear it. Oh yeah, that's good. Now I'm going to go in with this Nomad palette. Nomad. And I'm going to take this black and just kind of put it in my inner corners. And then I'm not going in with any extra black. I'm just taking what's on the brush and kind of putting it into like my sockets right here. And I'm also going to kind of hollow out my cheekbones. Again, not going in with any extra black. Now I'm going back into the E.L.F. palette and I'm going to take this yellow. We're just going to kind of tap that around. And then lastly, I'm going to dip into this blue shade, and again, just do the same thing. I have this purple and blue E.L.F. liners, and I'm just going to draw some veins. I'm also going to use my red one that I have. So to draw a vein, you literally just draw like squiggly lines, and then maybe like another squiggly line off of that squiggly line. I'll show you. And then just kind of tap your finger so it's not too intense. So now I'm going to go in with some blood. I'm going to put some like near my nose and my eyes. This is blood gel, coagulated blood gel. I'm going to take this green icing, and this is going to be like our poison. Oh, that almost got all over my dress. This is Poisoned Snow White. Should I add like bruising around the neck? Honestly, we're just gonna leave it. Alright, I'm gonna put this in my mouth, and then that is it. This is Poisoned Snow White. Alright guys, so that is it. This was such an easy and fun, oh, this is all in my hair, and fun tutorial. If you want to keep it the glam Snow White, you can totally do that, or you can have fun like I did and
The poison Snow White.
So yeah, I really hope you guys like this. I will link everything below my acts. So if you do this, tag me. I would love to see your recreation of a poisoned Snow White or even a glam Snow White. It's super fun, super easy. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys didn't know, that really helps people see my video. It gets posted in the recommendations. So the more thumbs up, the better. The more comments, the better. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.